960 Romeo Tango, Sierra Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Come on.
Here, Romeo Tango, right turn, first taxiway, and contact ground point 7, so take your Millionaire.
Tower J184, runway 26 left, following
Gateway 184, Spirit Tower, following Phenom traffic, runway 26 left, clear to land, number 2.
26 left, and following Phenom, clear to land.
Gateway 184, you can exit out 6, contact ground point 7. Cessna 737 Hotel Golf, Spirit Tower. Fly runway heading, runway 26 left, altitude, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 26 left at Alpha 2, fly runway heading, Cessna 7 Hotel Golf.
Cessna 657, Spirit South. Cessna traffic departing now, and are you able to make short approach?
I make short approach.
Sorry, say again?
See we can make that short approach, 647.
657, Roger, you'll be number 1, Cirrus traffic. You'll be following you in currently 5 mile final. Runway 26 left, clear to land.
6 left, clear land. 6427.
Seven Tango Zulu, Roger. You'll be following Cessna traffic, starting short final, runway 26 left, clear to land, number 2. Gas flight 4, Spirit Tower. Wind calm, altimeter 3016. Turn left heading 210, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 26 left, going to be left 210 on the heading. Gas flight 4.
Gas flight 4, amendment to your heading, continue turn left heading 180.
We'll continue to turn over 210.
Gas flight 4, you can contact St. Louis departure.
Over departure, Pennsylvania, gas flight 4.
By Project 414, wind 030 at 4, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, runway 26 left, turn on red, Project 414.
Embraer 176, Spirit Tower, wind 030 at 6, runway 26 left, clear to land. Gas flight 176, right turn Alpha 8, taxi straight in with mix. Celestia 556, wind 020 at 7, flat runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Flight runway heading 26 left, clear for takeoff, runway 556. Spirit Tower, foothills 988, holding short, Alpha 1, 26 left, ready for departure.
Foothills 988, Spirit Tower, wind 020 at 6, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, full length, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, runway 26 left, foothills 988.
Tank 1, the wind is 020 at 5, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, full length, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, 26 left, runway Tank 1.
Clear check 200, on course approved, runway 26 left, Alpha 2, clear for takeoff, wind 040 at 5.
On course approved, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, clear track 200.
Commerce Bank 1, contact St. Louis Park. Good day.
Going to departure, Commerce Bank 1, get in.
And 2 Charlie Tango, runway 26 left, clear to land, wind 020 at 6.
I'll look for that traffic and we can just go through track 200.
2 Charlie Tango, wait park.
I'll do it.
2 Charlie Tango, taxi straight in. Clear check 1040, company traffic through 10 o'clock, 3 miles westbound, climbing at a 2,100. Wind 040 at 6, runway 26 left, clear to land. Clear check 1040, taxi finish. C199 a kilo, left turn on course approved, runway 26 left, full length, clear for takeoff, wind variable at 4.
26 left, clear for takeoff, left turn on course approved, 99 kilo.
Matter 433 Romeo, wind 350 at 4, on course approved, runway 26 left, Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
26 left, clear for takeoff, 943 Romeo.
Learjet 660 Spirit Tower, wind 030 at 5, on course approved, runway 26 left, Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
26 left, Alpha 2, clear for takeoff, career track 660.
.0843, right turn Alpha 6, taxi to parking via Alpha limit.
Traffic inside
33 Romeo, base wind is your discretion to follow that traffic. Runway 26 left, clear to land. Number 2, wind variable is 4.
26 left, clear to land, number 2, 33 Romeo.
33 Romeo, right turn Alpha 6, taxi yellow ram via Alpha with me. 562 Foxtrot Spirit Tower, wind 070 at 3, on course approved, runway 26 left, Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, on course approved, 26 left, 562 Foxtrot.